An important health warning tonight. Whooping cough is on the rise again in California, and we're seeing it here on the Central Coast. In fact, turns out our area is seeing more cases reported in the first 5 months of this year than all of last. More from Action News reporter May Chow.
In Santa Cruz County, 12 cases of pertussis were confirmed in the first quarter of 2014, compared to 1 case in the first quarter last year. In all, there are 35 known cases of whooping cough. For Monterey County, that number is nearly double, with 60 cases so far this year.
We see it. It really is sort of a cyclical thing. Every 3 to 5 years or so, we get a bigger outbreak. It's always around, but every so often you get more.
Dr. Lena Malik works at the Romy Lane Pediatric Group in Salinas. She says her office has seen an increase of whooping cough patients.
It's tough whenever a kid is sick, but this is one in particular that even as adults you kind of, it's difficult. You cough so hard that you can't catch your breath, and kids, they don't understand what's going on, and it's hard on them.
Since babies can't begin pertussis shots until they're 2 months old, they remain the most vulnerable. In Monterey County, 10 patients are under the age of 1, and the majority of the 60 known cases of pertussis are of individuals under the age of 18.
The problem with infants is their lungs are not as strong as adult lungs, so they tend to be at risk for having complications, hospitalizations, and severe disease. So those are the people that we really want to protect.
Doctors say the best way to protect infants under 6 months old is for adults to get the booster vaccination.
In addition to getting the vaccine, it's very important that you stay home from work or school if you're sick. So if you're coughing and you've been coughing for a while, doesn't seem to be getting better, contact your provider. Ask them if they, to talk about pertussis, see if you need to take antibiotics to prevent it.
Symptoms of pertussis vary by age. Young infants may not cough, but their faces may turn red or purple. For children, it starts with a cough or runny nose that lasts 1 to 2 weeks until the cough begins to have a whooping sound. And in adults, it's a cough that persists several weeks.
That was May Chow reporting for us. The Department of Public Health for California says they've gotten 2,600 cases notified of pertussis through the end of May, more than 800 in April alone, the highest monthly count we've seen since the epidemic of whooping cough in 2010.